Hey everyone, welcome to today's episode on Topic to Topic. We're diving into 50 beginner-level networking questions, rapid-fire style. Let's go.
Yup, whether you're preparing for an interview, learning the basics, or just curious about networking basics, we've got you covered.
We're running through 50 beginner-level networking questions, quick, clear, and straight to the point.
Exactly. I'll be answering each question in a simple, easy-to-understand way. No complicated tech talk.
So grab a notebook, or sit back and absorb. Let's make networking make sense.
Alright, let's dive in.
Question 1. What is a computer network?
A computer network is a group of interconnected devices that communicate and share resources.
Question 2. What is the Internet?
It's a global network of networks that connects millions of devices worldwide.
Question 3. What is an IP address?
It's a unique identifier assigned to each device on a network.
Question 4. What is DNS?
Domain name system. It translates domain names like google.com into IP addresses.
Question 5. What does LAN stand for?
Local area network. A network within a small area like an office or home.
Question 6. What is WAN?
Wide area network. Connects multiple LANs over large distances, like the internet.
Question 7. What is WLAN?
Wireless LAN. Uses Wi-Fi to connect devices without cables.
Question 8. What is MAN?
Metropolitan area network. Covers a city or large campus.
Question 9. What is PAN?
Personal area network. For devices like phones, tablets, or wearables.
Question 10. What is a VPN?
Virtual private network. Secures data by creating an encrypted tunnel over the internet.
Question 11. What is a router?
A device that routes data between different networks.
Question 12. What is a switch?
A device that connects devices within a LAN and manages traffic using MAC addresses.
Question 13. What is a modem?
It modulates and demodulates signals for internet access, connecting your network to your ISP.
Question 14. What is a firewall?
A security device that filters incoming and outgoing network traffic.
Question 15. What is an access point?
It provides Wi-Fi access to devices in a network.
Question 16. What is TCP/IP?
A suite of communication protocols used to connect devices on the internet.
Question 17. What is HTTP?
Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Used for accessing websites.
Question 18. What is HTTPS?
Secure HTTP. It encrypts web traffic using SSL, TLS.
Question 19. What is FTP?
File Transfer Protocol. Used to transfer files between systems.
Question 20. What is DHCP?
Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It assigns IP addresses automatically.
Question 21. What is IPv4?
Internet Protocol version 4. Uses 32-bit addresses like 192.168.1.1.
Question 22. What is IPv6?
The newer version using 128-bit addresses. Supports more devices.
Question 23. What is a subnet mask?
It defines the range of IP addresses in a network.
Question 24. What is a default gateway?
The device, usually a router, that connects a local network to external networks.
Question 25. What is NAT?
Network Address Translation. Translates private IPs to public ones and vice versa.
Question 26. What does ping do?
It tests connectivity between two devices.
Question 27. What is traceroute used for?
It shows the path packets take to reach a destination.
Question 28. What does ipconfig do?
Shows your IP configuration on Windows.
Question 29. What is NSLOOKUP used for?
It queries DNS to find IPs linked to domain names.
Question 30. What is netstat?
Displays network connections, routing tables, and open ports.
Question 31. What is a MAC address?
A unique hardware identifier for network devices.
Question 32. What is SSID?
Service Set Identifier, the name of a Wi-Fi network.
Question 33. What is WEP?
Wired Equivalent Privacy, an outdated Wi-Fi security protocol.
Question 34. What is WPA2?
A more secure Wi-Fi encryption standard than WEP.
Question 35. What is a man-in-the-middle attack?
An attacker intercepts communication between two parties.
Question 36. What is bandwidth?
The maximum data transfer rate of a network connection.
Question 37. What is latency?
The delay in data transmission between the source and destination.
Question 38. What is packet loss?
When packets fail to reach their destination.
Question 39. What is a network protocol?
A set of rules for how data is transmitted across a network.
Question 40. What causes slow internet?
This could be due to bandwidth congestion, a poor signal, or hardware issues.
Question 41. What is an Ethernet cable?
A physical cable used to connect devices in wired networks.
Question 42. What's the difference between Cat5 and Cat6?
Cat6 supports higher speeds and less interference than Cat5.
Question 43. What is the OSI model?
A 7-layer model describing how data flows over a network.
Question 44. What are the 7 layers of the OSI model?
Physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, application.
Question 45. What layer does IP operate on?
Layer 3 network layer.
Question 46. What is a port number?
A number assigned to specific services, like 80 for HTTP.
Question 47. What is a socket?
An endpoint for sending or receiving data. Combines IP plus port.
Question 48. What is port 443 used for?
HTTPS, secure web traffic.
Question 49. What's the loopback IP address?
127.0.0.1. It refers to your device.
Question 50. Why is networking important?
Because everything connects, computers, cloud, apps, nothing works without networking.
And that's all 50 questions. Nicely done.
Remember, mastering the basics is the first step to a secure digital world.
If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, Topic to Topic, and drop your toughest networking question in the comments.
Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next episode.